Well, from the perfect pouty lip to skin that shimmers, Hollywood's A-list knows how to look flawless every time they step out on a runway or red carpet. And dermatologist Julia Carroll is here to share with us some of the in-office and at-home procedures and products that will have you red carpet ready. Hi.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. So in honor of the Toronto International Film Festival, we're trying to look at things that we do in the office or at home that celebs use as well. But these are things that are accessible to everybody across Canada, moms, dads, executives, nurses, teachers.
And just FYI, people at home, if you're like, what is that noise? Yeah. We're going to be showing you a skin treatment in just a second as well. That's
I thought that was like Morse code for help. Help my skin, please.
Yeah, that's it. We'll
Ship
get to
shore.
that, but go ahead with the Cinderella
So
lips.
we're going to start with something called Cinderella Lips. So a lot of people are really intimidated by getting lip injections. And so I think there's a big difference between enhancement and enlargement. And you want symmetry and balance, and you're not going for that duck lip.
Yep.
Right? So we have some nice before and afters. And the reason why I have my daughter Abigail's Cinderella book here is because some people are a little nervous to commit. So we do a procedure called the Cinderella lip, where you do a little bit of saline, and it's 12 hours. So that's why it's Cinderella. It only lasts 12 hours.
Okay.
So you can try it out. And then if it's for you, great, then you can move on to the real thing. Or if you just want to have a look for an evening like Tiff.
So you won't be bruised?
So you might get a slight bruise, but the way that we inject and the place where we come from, it's very low chance of bruise.
Okay.
And then this procedure here is called the Clear+Brilliant laser. And it is a laser procedure that is great for no downtime, minimal financial commitment. And this is Alana. She's 25 years old. She doesn't want to get into any big procedures or anything right now, but she just wants to be preventative. So we're just doing a Clear+Brilliant laser. It helps pores, helps glow.
Okay, pores. So tightening of the pores.
Tightening of the pores, and just gives the skin a refresh. So what's that feel like, Alana?
It's fine. Pretty comfortable. Just a little bit prickly. But
A little prickly.
But she's comfortable,
it's
doing
Does
it.
it feel warm?
a little warm, but it's not painful at all, really.
All right.
And this is preventative then, because again, she's only 25. Because imagine if I'd started that. I mean, this Atlanta, I know your eyes are covered, but this is what 20 more years look like on top of that.
That's not
If
too
I don't
bad.
need- God bless you.
Well, actually,
bad
men
there.
love this procedure because it's pretty, you know, like not very painful and no downtime, really. So it's a
Right.
great
Because
one.
we are basically wimps. You're
You
absolutely
are
right.
kind of
Yeah, kind of, sort
it's true.
of.
We can handle it.
I know. You know, anything for vanity.
Yeah. Bring it on.
And then this is stuff you can do at home.
Just really quick, yeah. So exfoliation, I think, is really key to having a great look. So this is Neo-Cutis Exfoliating Cleanser. It has a little glycolic acid in it. A lot of people have a Clarisonic. It doesn't not advertise an exfoliator, but it's a really great exfoliator. And then the last thing is hydration. In our office, we do an oxygen facial, which is we are almost booked solid now for Tiff with the oxygen facial because it makes the skin look amazing for makeup. But the at-home hack, I guess, would be the B5 Hydrating Masque, which you put on, and it has hyaluronic acid in it, and it just really hydrates and plumps up the skin.
And the good news is that's not cheap necessarily either, but it's a great product, SkinCeuticals. Love it so
Exactly.
much. And when you compare it to one oxygen facial, or you get to have this and use it a number of times at
So
home.
that's $66. Oxygen facials run, depending on the time of year, $99 to $150. So they're not crazy either.
No.
And then the Neo-Cute, the cleanser is $32. The Clarisonic is $175. It starts at, and then the Cinderella Lips are $99. So
Which is actually a really smart way to figure out if it's for you or not, if it is something that people have been thinking about.
low commitment.
Exactly. Wonderful. All right, Dr. Julia Carroll. She's a dermatologist at Compass Dermatology.
Julia, great to see you. Thanks for coming in. And we're back after a quick break here on this Wednesday. You're watching Global.